Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7 English Bridge Course Workbook. Worksheet 12 Grammar Active Voice Unit 2. Dear children, today we are going to solve worksheet number 12 Active Voice. So listen carefully and you can write the answers on your own. Do not worry about mistakes. Okay. So try பண்ணி எழுதுங்க. Mistake வந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல. You can rectify gradually. Okay, children. First, Roman number. Identify the active and passive forms of sentences and write them in the appropriate boxes. So, dear children, so here we have some passive forms and active forms. Words are over here. You can read that and then segregate it. Which will come in active voice, which will come in passive voice. ஆக்டிவ் வாய்ஸ் பாசிவ் வாய்ஸ் தெரியும் இல்லையா? ஒரு செயல் செய்கிறது ஆக்டிவாக இருந்ததுனாக்கா அது ஆக்டிவ் வாய்ஸ், அப்படிங்கும்போது அது பாசிவ் வாய்ஸ். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், கேட் கில்டு த ராட். அப்போ கேட் இங்கே வேர்பு, கேட் வந்து வேலை செய்யும்போது அது ஆக்டிவ். இந்த rat was killed by the cat, அது வந்ததுனாக்கா அது passive. So here we have the words, the milk was drunk by the cat, the children sings a song, the poem is written by me, I like ice cream, Sachin played cricket, a story was written by him. So these are the thing. So first one, the milk was drunk by the cat. By vandale, immediately you can put it in passive voice. The children sing a song. Children நிறைய இருக்கனால sing தான் வரணும். Okay, so that will come to children. பாட்டு பாடுறது யாரு? Children. So that is active voice. The poem is written by me. By வந்தாலே passive voice. I like ice cream. Active voice. Sachin played cricket. Active voice. The story was written by him. By him வந்ததுனாக்கா passive voice. Fine, children? Okay. Second question. Rearrange the words to form a meaningful sentence. So here some jumbled things are there. We have to read it correctly. The letter has Roja sent. Okay. If you rewrite correctly, Roja has sent the letter. Fine, children? Third question. Choose the appropriate verb to complete the following sentence in active voice. The police dash the suspects. Okay. The words are interrogated, were interrogated. So the answer is the police interrogated the suspects. Okay. Fourth question. Fill in the blanks using the clues given in the brackets. My parents dash the house. My parents decorated the house. This is past tense use pannom. So decorated. Moving on to next thing. Frame the active form of sentence for the given picture using simple present tense. Simple present tense naka daily nadakirudhu. So what do you see in the picture? Children are playing, isn't it? So it is simple present tense. It means yesterday, today, tomorrow, every day they'll play. So that is a habitual action. So children play football. Fine, children? So ipo idu passive voice mathumbodhu football is played by the children varum. So here they are playing. Sixth question, tick the sentences that are in active voice. So you have to tick which are all in active voice. A. Nivan reads a story. The stage was decorated by the students. C. The chief guest gave away the prizes. So இப்போ இதில் active voice, Nivan reads a story. Nivan தான் read பண்ணுறாங்க, அதனால அது active. By the students, the stage was decorated by இருக்குது, அது passive. The chief guest gave away the prizes. அப்போ chief guest தான் இங்கே prize கொடுக்குறாங்க. That is also active voice. Fine, children? So the chief guest gave away prizes and Nivan reads the story. Both are active. Seventh question. Choose the correct form of the verb. My friend dash me a watch. So here the words are was presented, has been presented, presented. So my friend presented me a watch. Okay. Eighth question. Construct a sentence in active voice using the hints given below and change the same into passive voice. So here you can write name of the author, book written. So you can write some sentence. Or எங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் டீச்சர்ஸ்லேயே நிறைய பேர் புக்ஸ் எல்லாம் எழுதிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க, அதனால் அப்படியே எழுதிக்கிறேன். Now in the eighth question, name of the author, book written. அதை எழுதிட்டு we have to write it in passive voice. Okay. For example, எங்களோட டீச்சர்ஸ் குரூப்பில் so many teachers have brought out many books. For example, Mrs. Sumati, அவங்க என்ன புக்கு? ஸ்ட்ரிங் ஆஃப் பேர்ல்ஸ். பிரின்ஸ்லின் ஜோன் அவங்க என்ன புக்கு? ஷேடோஸ் ஆஃப் சைலன்ஸ். டாக்டர் ராஜா ரிதம்ஸ் ஆஃப் லைஃப். பிருந்தா லீவ்ஸ் ஆஃப் லைஃப். மிஸ்ஸஸ் கல்யாணி ஜஸ்ட் பி. அண்ட் மிஸ்ஸஸ் தாமரை செல்வி ப்ரீஸி ஃபீல். இன்னும் நிறைய பேர் எழுதிட்டுருக்குறாங்க. அண்ட் ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் பப்ளிகேஷன்லேயும் நிறைய பேர் இருக்கிறாங்க. ஃபைன். ஸோ அதனால நவ் வீல் ரைட் இட் இன் பாசிவ் வாய்ஸ். String of Pearls is written by Mrs. Sumati. Shadows of Silence is written by Mrs. Prinslin Joan. Rhythms of Life is written by Dr. Raja. Just Be is written by Mrs. Kalyani. Leaves of Life is written by Brinda. Breezy Feel is written by Mrs. Thamari Selvi. இந்த மாதிரி நீங்களே எழுதிக்கலாம். சரியா? இது நீங்கள் லிசன் பண்ணுறது ஏன் சொல்கிறேன்னா, எ டைம் ஷுட் கம் யோர் நேம் ஷுட் பி இன் ஆத்தர் ஏரியா. சரியா? நீங்களும் ஓனாக புக் எழுதுங்க. ஃபைன், ஐ வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ. நவ் இஃப் வி ரைட் இன் ஆக்டிவ் வாய்ஸ் அண்ட் passive வாய்ஸ், Sumati wrote the book String of Pearls. That is active voice. String of Pearls is written by Sumati. That is passive voice. Prinslin Joan wrote Shadows of Silence. Passive voice means Shadow of Silence is written by Prinslin Joan. Dr. Raja wrote Rhythms of Life. Passive voice, Rhythms of Life is written by Dr. Raja. Mrs. Kalyani wrote Just Be. Just Be is written by Mrs. Kalyani. Brinda wrote Leaves of Life. And passive voice, Leaves of Life is written by Brinda. Mrs. Thamri Selvi wrote the book Breezy Feel. And passive voice, Breezy Feel is written by Mrs. Thamri Selvi. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி நீங்களும் எழுதிக்கலாம். சரியா? இது இண்டிவிஜுவல் புக்கு அண்ட் we have lots of anthologies and plenty of other things, children. You can see till the end. I'll show you the book. Okay? You'll see and get inspired, motivated and encouraged. Okay, children. 9th question. Your mother prepares lunch for your family members. Write a sentence related to this situation in active voice using simple past tense. சரியா? இப்போ அம்மா சமையல் பண்ணுறாங்க lunch. So how will you write the situation? My mother cooked lunch. My mother washed vegetables. My mother lighted the stove. இந்த மாதிரி past tense வச்சு எழுதலாம். Fine, children? Okay. 10th question. Rewrite the paragraph into active voice. இப்போ இங்கே இருக்கிறது passive voiceல இருக்குது. You have to write it in active voice. The man who broke into the school building last night has been arrested by the police. 2 laptops were stolen by the man. He is being held in custody by the police. So this is the sentence. We have to write it in active voice. So when you rewrite it in active voice, the police arrested the man who broke into the school building last night. Okay, next one is the man stole 2 laptops. The police held the man in custody. So like that you can write in active voice. Fine, children? Okay, I hope you understood. You can listen again and do not copy just like that. Thank you. These are some of the books written by our Creative Writers WhatsApp group. So just I'm showing you to encourage you, motivate you and inspire you. When we all can write, why can't you all? So, okay, so you should all write innovatively, creatively. So write nicely. Okay, children? Fine.